And welcome back. It's time for the health report. Here, Shamela Pullen.
Papular urticaria is a skin reaction to an insect bite. It can either be an allergy or hypersensitivity.
You react very badly to insect bites. You really scratch profusely. They get red. They get itchy. You pick and scratch at them. You get treatment, and then the next time you get exposed to bites from sandflies and mosquitoes, it just repeats itself, and in many patients it really becomes chronic. People don't like the fact that they end up and they heal with lots of spots, and by the time you get to a teenager, your legs are really not looking very pretty because of the dark spots left behind, or what we call the post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. So it tends to repeat itself.
The condition is quite common in Jamaica.
Let us say I go to clinic 3 days for the week. I would say 2 out of 3 days you would see at least one patient with papular urticaria. It's quite common.
And these are babies?
Babies, children, young adults, adolescents get it.
Papular urticaria is usually a clinical diagnosis. The dermatologist says it can be prevented.
So, mosquito net, mosquito repellent, but it is highly treatable. Topical steroids, topical antibiotics, oral antihistamines to help with the itching. For babies and for children, we use a thing like a mesh over the bed, use a fan, long clothing when outdoors, not very practical in climates like ours where we're hot and humid all the time. Occasionally, we might even need to give oral antibiotic therapy when some of them become infected, and of course, use the repellents.
According to medical experts, occasionally the eruption can clear for years and then reoccur unexpectedly. With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.